Hello everyone. So I had 6 pounds of, or close to 6¼ pounds of hamburger or ground beef that I had purchased, and I decided to can it up. So this is probably the easiest, one of the easiest things ever to can. So all you do is brown your meat. I put it in a strainer with a bowl underneath it to catch the grease. You don't saute it crispy or cook it crispy, you just saute it. And then all you do is get your jars. I believe I'm going to need 5, so that's what I pulled out. And I have my canner ready, the Presto Precise digital pressure canner. I have the level of water where I need it. I have it turned on. So then all I do, you can barely see it, let me bring it over here. All I do is, it's on pressure can, and I go 75 minutes and press that. And then it says insert jars. So then all I do is take my ground beef and loosely pack it. And I will knock it down. I'm not like packing it, I'm just pushing it to get it out of the funnel. And you get it right. And I don't know, like I said, how many jars I'm going to need. So I'm going to put it under, just under 1-inch headspace for that one. Excuse me, which is here. So this is the easiest ever. And you always add liquid because this is not going to produce any more liquid. That's another reason why you don't want to put raw meat, because you're cooking it in the fat, and then guess what? You have a bunch of fat in your jar from the meat. That's why you want to drain it. I know there's controversy on that, but I try to do everything by the book. I might need more than 5 jars. I don't know yet. Okay, it looks good. There's a little tiny bit left. Not hardly anything. Actually, I'll put that in with my macaroni and cheese. Oh, I'm going to need this. Okay, I had to go pull out more rings, more lids, and fill up my jar with filtered water. So you could either use water or you can use broth or tomato juice. Just make sure you get all the air pockets out. Once you do this, your liquid level is going to drop. There we go. Always clean the rims with vinegar. This is greasy. And also feel for any kind of chips or cracks along the rim. And the reason why you do that is because you don't want anything, just got it in the grease. You don't want anything to inhibit the seal. You don't have to put your lids in water anymore, but I still do. I think it helps soften and rinses it off. Finger tight. Don't ever crank it down like that. As soon as it stops, you stop. Okay. All my jars are in. These are wide mouth pints. And I don't know if you can see that, but it says pressure can, insert jars. So I push the play button, which is here. Whoops, you can't see that. Right here. This canner is amazing. And I'm going to put my lid on, lock it down, turn this. Always remove the regulator. It will tell you when to put the regulator on. And that's it. It will tell me when it's canning, when it's doing the cool down process, when it's finished. The steam will come out from right here. It'll build up pressure, and then it'll tell me to put the regulator on. So that's why I said that's probably one of the quickest and easiest things to can, besides raw packed chicken or ugly chicken, which all you do is cube it and throw it in a jar with a lid and ring on it and can it. You don't even have to add liquid because it's going to make its own juice in the jar. I will show that again pretty soon because I'm actually going to get some bone-in chicken and debone it and then can it. I will never can it with the bone in anymore because the bone became mush. So that will be an upcoming video. Okay, the canner just beeped and it is finished. Let's slowly open this. Always open the lid with the steam going away from you. And open it slowly so there's not sudden temperature change. Look at that. Go slowly over here. That lid is really loose. So I'm still waiting on a few of them to seal, but they look awesome. This is what ground beef should look like when it's canned. It should still be full of liquid. You should never have your liquid below half full. So this is what properly canned ground beef looks like. Is that a shadow? Yeah, it was a shadow. Those are not dark spots, those are shadows. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And I will catch y'all on the next one. I have more coming. So be sure to watch. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. Make sure you're subscribed. Hit the bell icon for future notifications on my channel. And make sure you hit the thumbs up for me and I would greatly appreciate it. Y'all be blessed. Have a great day.